We are on the Ecusta Trail in Hendersonville, North Carolina, and on a 3rd of July 2026, biking with my family. Here they are. It's a nice, smooth path, and we get a little downhill run, but they are about to close starting July 6th. Whee! Okay, look both ways. Nope, nope, nobody coming. Whee! I was gonna do an interview, but okay. No interviews for me. Beautiful day. I'm here with Carina Carswell.
And the rest of the people were riding or something.
Yeah, Carina, what do you have to say about this trail?
It's good. It's pretty.
Okay. What do you smell?
The sweet.
Oop, watch out.
Sweet smelling nature.
Up there on the left.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh.
See if I can get him. Hello. There he goes. We just saw a deer in the meadow. Man, that was in the meadow. It is very warm out, but on the trail, not so bad. Spots of sun, spots of shade, spots of hill. I'm sure on the way back, I will have regrets because we went down that nice long coast to this point, and that means we have to pedal back up, which will be the most fun for Carina because her bike is a Guardian bike. It's a good bike, but it does not have gears. It's just not quite there yet. It'll be fun. Did you slow down and look? Always practice biking safety. Ooh, look at those mountains ahead.
Yeah, there's a mountain. We're gonna ride all the way to the top of that mountain. Get it. Get off the look. Water break.
In the shade. We are 2/3 of the way into the ride. We've got a beautiful little creek over there. Look at that. Bamboo. It's quite beautiful.
Do you think it's a few years out? Probably. I mean, they haven't done anything here.
We reached the end.
Brevard keeps having issues with planning.
Eventually, we'll explore the next half. Until next time.